Hi, this is Mukesh More. In this session, you will learn characteristics of logic families. So there are 10 characteristics. First one is the speed, then fan out, fan in, power dissipation, propagation delay, noise margin, figure of merit, logic swing, noise immunity, breadth. Breadth is the last characteristic of the logic family. Now we will see first characteristics of the logic family, that is a speed. The speed of the logic circuit is determined by the time between application of input and change in output. So if we will give specific input to the circuit, that circuit will result a output. That change and input, the time is determined, and that time is nothing but speed of the logic circuit. Then we have second characteristics, that is a fan out. Fan out is very important characteristics of the logic families, that is number of loads that can output of the gate can drive. For example, so number of loads that the output of gate can drive. Suppose if there is a one gate and the output is generated and the output voltage will use for the other gates, so that number of loads the output of the gate can be drive. So this is called as a fan out characteristics of the logic families. So in short, you can take example, if there is a single gate, input is given, the output will generate at the output part of that gate, and at the output voltage, that voltage is used for operation of other gates. So this is fan out. Then next we have characteristics, that is a fan in. So fan in is maximum number of inputs that can be applied to the logic gate. So in fan in, we have to check what are the maximum number of the inputs that can be applied to the logic gate. Then next characteristics, that is a power dissipation. So power dissipation is used to calculate power consumption per gate. So this power dissipation is used to calculate power consumption per gate, and finally we can calculate the power consumption of all the gates of circuit. This is called as a power dissipation. Next characteristics we have, that is a propagation delay. So propagation delay is delay time for the signal to propagate the input to the output. So you can say that there is a input time and output time. So this time between input and output is called as a propagation delay of the logic circuit. Then next characteristics we have, that is a noise margin. So in the noise margin, we need to check the limit, the barrier of the noise voltage that can be considered without disturbing proper operation of the circuit. So this noise margin is calculated for checking the limit of the noise without disturbing proper operation of the circuit. If the circuit is operating on 5 volt and the noise margin is a 3 volt, then 3 volt is a noise margin for that circuit. So if the voltage increases, then that time the circuit will not generate the proper result. So this is called as a noise margin. Next we have figure of merit, the product of propagation delay and power dissipation. So figure of merit is a product of propagation delay, and this propagation delay is calculated from delay between input and output, and power dissipation is the power consumption by each and every gate of the circuit. And if we take the product of power dissipation and power propagation delay, then that is a figure of merit. Then next we have next characteristics is that logic swing. Logic swing is a difference between two output voltages. So if I take the highest voltage minus lowest voltage output, then this difference is called as a logic swing. Logic swing is a difference between two output voltages. So consider VOH is a highest voltage and VOL is a lowest voltage. If you take the difference between VOH and VOL, that difference is a logic swing. Next characteristic we have, that is a noise immunity. So noise immunity means maximum noise that a circuit can handle without changing the output. So noise immunity is a maximum noise that can be used without changing the output. So to check that maximum noise, we have to use the noise immunity. And the last characteristics is breadth of the logic family. So breadth is calculated by number of various functions available in the logic family. Breadth is the number of various functions available in the logic family. So in this way, in this video, we have studied the different characteristics of the logic families. So thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.